Okay, so if you want to change your name or your profile picture on Spotify, this is going to be for the app on desktop. I'll also have a video for app on your phone or tablet or whatever. But yeah, but if you want to change your name or whatever, then you have to go up here where your icon is, and then click on profile right here, and then it'll take you to your profile, and then you can click on this and type in whatever. I can put random letters, and then I can also change my photo or remove it or whatever. I'm not gonna save that because it's just random letters, but yeah, um, that's kind of it. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's it. So bye then.